this is Celtic House here in Derby. This is a block that was converted to flats in 2018. As you can see here, we have this interesting hidden lift here that was a replacement. Big cabinet, as you can see, runs on Lisa logic, and there's an interesting thing, the indicator has power saver. I'm gonna press the button. There it goes, it's on G right now. Oh, we love that refresh rate. You struggle to make out much of that, hold on. Can just about make it out. This has got more interesting features. If I stand in the doorway, the open button goes on. Don't understand why that is, but we have other features too. I'll send this down and we can get it to start moving with a lovely indicator refresh rate. But it has, wait, hold on, call cancel. It'll stop at the nearest floor it can get to. And then keep going. I think it's the first lift I've been in that just naturally has call cancel.
6th floor. Doors open.
Alright, let's continue. Up we go. Kleemann, installed by Sheridan, 2017.
Doors opening.
Right, now let's go between 3 and 6.
Doors closing. Fourth floor.
No, it's not.
Doors opening.
See what happens this time. God, I love that refresh rate, don't we?
Sixth floor.
Very interesting sound. I'll go again.
Doors closing.
Got a delay on the close button.
Third floor.
Hey, got it right this time, well done.
Opening.
Interesting sounding door. Finish up at 6. We'll send it down and listen to the sounds coming from the logic cabinet.
6th floor. Doors
Go
open.
down there.
Doors closing.
There it goes. And that'll be it.